Well, kumusta kayong mga idol? Ang ating mapanood sa video ito ay laban ni pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao versus GC Vargas. Pero bago natin umpisa ng video ito, kung bago pa lang sa aming munting channel, kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakita ng notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago natin i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago natin umpisa ng bakbakang ito, ay mag-intro muna tayo mga idol. Ating balikan ng laban ng pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao versus GC Vargas, at alamin kung paano nga ba tinalo ng pambansang kamao ang champion sa kanilang bakbakan.
1. Round 1 underway. He's controlling that gate right now. He's in the garage, man. What about Vargas and the distance of his legs? I just spread way out, giving away the... Vargas fires back a right to Manny Pacquiao. Pay attention to that. So what do? You better figure out trouble. I mentioned Juan Manuel Marquez, Marco Antonio Barry. Oh yeah, I'm not worried about it. Hit him again with the left hand. And another one. And he can't get out of the way. That's a tough jab. Pacquiao really starting early. Now, look at Manny dancing around. He landed the Pacquiao fight. And to the side, was that an illegal shot? Are y'all watching? Manny Pacquiao even in the position. He's going to corner with him. He's getting more active though, throwing more punches. Every left hook. Vargas misses. 3. Deployed left hand by Pacquiao as he steps in. Vargas took it, but still. You see all the feints that Manny Pacquiao he's doing right now. Spams his gloves together. Then he goes and he reaches down and good combination. Getting a little frustrated. Vargas very game in the final seconds of round 5. At the right hand. 4. Fire of a prime Miguel Cotto. Prime Miguel Cotto. Like these big guys. Yeah, good right hand by Vargas. Swelling on the right side of Jesse Vargas. As well. Stay with this guy. Yes, you do. Even at 37. Yes, you do. And he can change gears at any time, too. I liked it before this round. Listen, he's trying to set up that right hand. Stephen, I know what you're saying, though. It's going to come down to rounds. Yeah. As we get someone starts. 6. And again, he's like a shark. When he smells blood, he goes and gets it. Yeah, and he can sense a little bit of the fight. Yes. If you watch the old fight films, blood would be flowing. They wouldn't even be thinking about stopping. They could right hook by Pacquiao, and he follows up. Well, the guy who did the best against Pacquiao, I think, Tim, is you. Land that punch. He was trying right there. Blocked by that punch all night. Yeah. And straight lead left hand from Pacquiao. Yeah, that's like his bread and butter shot right there. Vargas goes. And then Pacquiao makes him pay on the way in. But the point you brought up early, he's expending so much energy just standing there.
Hanggang dito na lang po ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod, walang sawang suporta. Ikaw idol, ano masasabi mo sa bakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.